We have a bunch of parameters in the animator. These things. If I look at idle, for example, we're using strings here. For better performance, we should be using hash IDs. So I'm going to go back and go to my managers folder. I'll create a new C# script. I'll call it hash manager. Go in there. Start with the namespace, Roundbeargames. And this is going to be a singleton. It's where we're going to save all of our IDs. I'll create a public dictionary. The keys would be transition parameters and the values integers, the IDs. I'll call it dictionary of main parameters. In the beginning, in the awake function, I'm going to get all of the strings. I'll use a function from enum get values get all the values from the transition parameter. Once we have all of the enums, we're going to turn it into an integer and then add it to the dictionary. We're going to use a static function in the animator, string.toHash, and create the ID and add it to the dictionary. Now that we have the dictionary, I'm going to go back to the idle script, and instead of using the string, I'm going to use the ID using the dictionary to get it. And I'm going to copy, paste it, and use it for attack and jump as well. I'm going to get all of the references for the transition parameter and do the same thing. Make sure you save as you go on. This might take a while. Just go slow and make sure you get everything right. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me just go through and check one more time. Make sure that we're not using the strings. Okay, I should go back and play, make sure that everything is exactly the same. So jumping works fine. So does the attack. The slide is working fine. Let me turn off. Let me delete AI for now. Okay, combos are working. So does the roll. I think it's good. Let me drag in the AIs again. Okay. We still have a few other cases where we're still using the string, like the animator for the AI, or we also have animator for the camera. These smaller things will change later on. For now, the game should be working fine. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.